What?
Finish and broadcast. Oh, you know what?
What?
Maybe maybe that wasn't recording. Hold on. It said um, I think it was scheduled to record, but I don't know if it did or not. We're just trying this all over again. So say something.
Hey.
You're losing all your enthusiasm.
Hey there, Mr. Devon. Come on, I can't wait for you to come home. I made you a really good dinner tonight, and you're gonna love it.
Wow. What's it? What is the really good dinner? What's it all about?
Oh, it's got some lettuce and some jalapenos and some pickled jalapenos and some onions and some cucumber and ground beef and
Ground
a
beef.
dressing. A
Everybody
vinaigrette
likes
dressing.
ground beef.
Everybody loves some ground beef.
Beef it up. Okay.
Beef it
We'll see
up.
if that works. All right. Love you.
Love
Bye.
you, bye.